Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We're here going live for the first time. This is my channel. We're gonna talk about investments. We're gonna talk about stocks. We're also gonna talk about finance, how to invest your money. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just gonna show you my journey, see how I do, how I progress on my Robinhood account, M1, and Weeble. Just give me one second. Select the whole screen. Yeah. So we can have the whole screen to ourselves. Now we can see everything, guys. Now we are live. Okay, we're gonna start with checking some of the news, checking the stock market overall. Let's go to Weeble, see what's going on. How is the market treating us today? If there's anything green or red, let's see. Usually watch a lot of index funds, main stocks like Bank of America, Disney, QQQ, Microsoft, Amazon. These are like basically the top of the top when it comes to stock investing. We do have Apple. I don't know, the Feds, they've been doing such a bad job lately, um, that everything is just basically going down. Of course, it's happening everywhere. It's also happening in Europe, in China. We have so many things going on, though. But yeah, let's let's see what's going on in Weeble. Alphabet's doing really, really bad today. Yeah, look at Bank of America. I don't know, but so for some reason I see the stocks and they don't look like they're moving too much today. Have very small accounts. I just started my journey. I did had this account for a couple of years. I made a little bit of money trading. Took it out, pay some bills. You know, if you have bills, credit cards, or anything like that, take care of those first before you even start investing long term. Cause the money that you could be using to pay those bills, especially credit card bills, you could use it for investing, and you will probably even get more of a return than just investing and trying to pay the bill at the same time. That's a lot. It's a lot of work. But yeah, this is my a small portfolio. $50 just to start. Maybe every 2 weeks, deposit 50, $100. Depends. Uh, Depends how the stock market is doing too. Everything's very, very slow these days, which is a good thing. All the investors that are starting to invest right now is an amazing deal. So everything is a discount right now. Let me see QQQ. How's QQQ doing? QQQ is very low, man. Wow. Just a few days ago, I saw QQQ, trading between the let's see, yeah, 300 bucks. I would never thought that QQQ will go this down though. This is a lot, very low right now. Yeah, Disney too. Oh, I'm not sure if Disney is back paying their dividends though. I know throughout the pandemic they stopped that. They were not paying any dividends because I owned Disney at that point. Uh, Let me look it up right now. Let's check. The good thing about Disney has so much content coming up. A lot of content. Let's see. They still paying. The market's barely moving, guys, today. It is Monday. We do have a couple of the Fed minions talking, I guess, to reassure you that everything it's being handled. They doing their best, whatever they can. Yeah, dividend yield for now, we don't even see it. It's just, it's a good company, but you know, they, I thought they opened everything. I thought they opened all the parks, all the stores, so they should be generating good profit now these days. Oh, Vanguard's up a little bit today. Yeah, sorry guys, there's a lot of noise, a lot of background noise. Yeah, I see. Wow, look at Walmart. Walmart has been one of the best stocks to own throughout this whole pandemic. And throughout this last 2 years of turmoil, stocks have been taking a pounding. I'm assuming that, all that printing was at some point we was gonna have to deal with the pain and everything. Let's see what's going on in Bloomberg. So stock market right now is definitely not moving at all. Maybe 1-2%. Not a lot of moving I see. Let's see what they have in Bloomberg. Let me see U.S. futures rises in the debate on Treasury yield peak. Yeah, it's a good time to buy some bonds, I guess. If you want to buy bonds, if you have a lot of money, you could buy some bonds. You'll be okay right now. She could get you almost what is it, 4 to 6%, I think, interest, even higher than that. But yeah, the stocks. The thing with the stocks is the stocks are more the long term gains. Maybe if you have dividend stocks, you probably, you know, make money, get paid every 3 months, reinvest that. You could grow the portfolio. Even then, even now that everything's so down, it's a good time to buy. I know everybody's uh, accounts are basically on the floor and stuff like that, but this is the best time to buy. Just try to save some cash, invest slowly. If you're investing like $100, now is probably the time to slow down, invest half of it, keep half in your bank account. So remember, the times are tough. Plus, the stock is still going to keep going down. Once we see that that we have hit a floor, or that the Feds are going to stop raising rates, you could probably try to go all in, make some money. That's what we're here for. Review the stocks, invest, make a little bit of money together. Not too bad. It's a good stock market life. Stock market's very slow today. We have DWAC. DWAC is not making too much moves right now. DWAC is a quiet giant, sleeping giant. At some point, I guess. You see, Coinbase is at a good price. Definitely want to get myself some Coinbase. I feel like the stock is at the lowest it could get. You know, this is the bottom. I mean, from what it was when it opened at IPO $250 to $65. If it goes back there, you're looking at a 3-4x gain. Sounds good to me, Not like in 1 year. It's going to take a little bit of time. Starbucks has taken a pounding. The dividend's still good though. You have the dividend. Oh, okay. The price is decent right now. Of course, try to catch it a little lower than this. Probably try to catch it when it goes, like around 70 something. It hasn't been around there in a couple of months. This will be one of the best stocks to invest. I had Starbucks before, but I basically wanted to make some gains more than anything, and I started moving all my money around, and one thing led to another, and I didn't had no Starbucks for like years. I did not own any Starbucks stocks. Yeah, I mean, I like to go back and forth from Robinhood and Webull because Webull has very clear graphics. It shows you everything, It breaks it down very smooth. All the you can see everything that is moving easy. I don't own that much over here. It's got a couple of stocks. Oh man, look at Verizon. See any news? Let's see what's going on. The Fed's starting to break things. Stocks are paying the price. Definitely. We could just see how everything is red for the overall for the whole year. There's barely any stocks that are doing good. We are definitely feeling some pain. All the stimulus monies and also all the money that the government just keeps sending with no backbone to it. It's just printing money. Here, there you go, pay your bills, but then you raise prices of everything else. So you rather have any no extra money coming from the government and keep all the prices and everything normal than accepting grants and help from the government, and then the stock market and everything goes down. It's the same thing with commodities. Everything is so expensive nowadays. But hopefully we can take advantage of this market and invest as much as we can, guys. Yeah, but look at this graphic. This is outrageous. The top three biggest index funds are performing really bad. I can't believe this. It's minus like 20-30%. Investors can only hope that stocks finish the year better than they started. Uh, we hope so. I don't think that's going to happen. Staying calm and invest for the next 10 years. Really? In this kind of market, nobody can really stay calm. The British pound is taking a pounding. Hopefully they can sort everything out over there in Europe. Stop being so dependable on Russia. Russia's definitely doing a number in the whole stock market too. Yeah. Let me see the S&P 500. Jesus, look at the S&P 500 below 4,000, $3,625. Oh my God. I like, I definitely like this stock more than anything because they pay. It's very diversified. The main thing is finance, healthcare, and consumer. A little bit on energy too. This is my options. This is what I like to invest on. You can invest in whatever you want. I'm just showing you what I do with my money, so you can have a sense of what do you want to do with your money. How do you want to invest it? This is not financial advice. Just a guy with a computer at home, just trying to make some YouTube videos. I know guys don't want to hear this, but I see a lot of potential in Robinhood. People don't like Robinhood because they do the order flow, market order flow, and they make a little bit of money. But we all gotta understand something. Everybody needs to make money. That's why you're here. That's why I'm here to make money in the stock market. They need to make money too. Maybe not as much, but yes, they do need to make some. This is my M1 finance account. This is basically really, really long term. I started this account a couple of years ago. I haven't really paid attention to it. Put money, I took it out. Now I'm starting again. But I feel like if you want to go really passive, you don't have to look at it like Robinhood or Webull. This is the best app. It's basically, set it and forget it. Put the money, you choose whatever you want to invest on, and that's it. Just invest. I think the minimum is like $100, $50, $100. I'm not sure for your first. Basically for your first deposit. After that, you can put as much as you want. I try to put whatever I can. I'm not rich. I have a 9 to 5 job just like everybody else. But I love stocks. Stocks are my passion. Since I learned about the stock market and trading, and I just loved it. I've been a little obsessed with trading. It is amazing how you can use your money to make invest on the stock market, leave it for a couple of years, 5 years, and then take out the gains, and you have so much money. Of course, not always, but yeah, look at Microsoft. Yeah, this stock is taking a real big pounding today, guys. See, let's just look for some news. See what's going on in Bloomberg. Yeah, the housing market is definitely taking a toll, guys. Houses are definitely going to drop. The interest rate is way, way too high. for anybody to be able to afford homes. Of course, there's people that can afford this kind of homes. They could pay the rate and all that, but most of regular, normal American citizens, I don't see them surviving through this. If they keep raising the rates the way they are and stuff, they keep raising rates for another year or 2 years. It's gonna be a lot of evictions, a lot of people losing their homes, their apartments. It's tough out here. Let's see. You see, today's a good day. I was thinking deposit a little bit of money on Robinhood later, and maybe target some specific stocks that I want to get right now. Everything is really low. It's a grab and go today. At least we see him a little bit of green, you know, positive, going on the upside. Finally, you know, I don't know how people. I don't know how the airline industry is doing though. I did heard that Delta is having a little bit of trouble. The stocks are looking alright.